rotated my tires, and I also filled them up with the correct amount of air. And it's not as important on these cars because the onboard system doesn't really specify which tire is which, or at least it doesn't show you. But this is how you would change the Tpms or recalibrate or reset it. And it's pretty simple to do. I bought this tool off Amazon, I think for under $10, and they're well worth the money. So the first thing, grab your key, and we're going to press and release the brake pedal. Turn the ignition from off to on, from off to run 3 times, ending in run. So there's 3. Press and release the brake pedal. Turn the ignition to off. Off to run 3 times, ending in run again. And it beeped. So you'll notice the tire light is flashing and it's saying down there in the information display. So there's that one. That's all 4. So that is now off. Training complete. Perfect. That's all you do.